The Redmi A5 is Xiaomi's latest addition to the budget smartphone segment, bringing in a solid combination of design, display, and performance, all at an accessible price point. If you're looking for a reliable daily driver without spending too much, this phone might just be your next pick. Display and design. The Redmi A5 sports a generous 6.88-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 x 1640 pixels. It boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is rare in this price range and makes for smoother scrolling and animation. With a peak brightness of 450 nits, it's decent for both indoor and moderate outdoor use. The phone feels solid in hand, with a slim profile of 8.26 mm and a manageable weight of 193 grams. Performance and software. Powered by the UNI SoC T7250 12nm chipset and Mali G57 GPU, the Redmi A5 delivers smooth performance for day-to-day tasks like browsing, messaging, and streaming. It runs on Android 15 Go edition with Xiaomi's HyperOS, ensuring a lightweight yet feature-rich experience. With 3GB or 4GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB storage options, it offers decent multitasking and space for your apps and media. Plus, the storage is expandable up to 1TB via microSD, giving users plenty of room to grow. Cameras. The phone comes with a 32-megapixels main camera accompanied by an auxiliary lens and LED flash, capable of recording videos up to 1080p. While not designed for professional photography, it captures sharp images in good lighting. The 8-megapixels front camera also supports 1080p video and is more than enough for selfies and video calls. Battery life and connectivity. A 5200 mAh battery powers the device, offering a full day of use with ease. Charging is rated at 15W, which is acceptable at this price. Connectivity features include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, and even a 3.5mm audio jack and OTG support, features often missing in more expensive models. Security and extras. The Redmi A5 includes both face recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, giving users flexible and secure unlocking options. Pricing. 3GB plus 64GB variant, 3,189 pesos. 4GB plus 128GB variant, 3,689 pesos. These Shopee prices make the Redmi A5 one of the most competitive options in the budget category. The Redmi A5 is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't cut too many corners. It delivers excellent value with a high refresh rate display, long-lasting battery, expandable storage, and modern design. Ready to upgrade your budget smartphone experience? Grab the Redmi A5 today on Shopee and enjoy reliable performance without breaking the bank.